Hello, good day everyone. This is Rodrigo, and today I'm going to have a follow-up video on how to do the breakout rooms as also been described and shown by Ms. Surabi. So we will now going to start with the meeting. So breakout rooms are now linked and been updated to the Teams. So if you had already made a meeting for your class, the breakout rooms will just be seen just directly here on the menu. Okay, so we have the participants icon, the chat box, the raise hands, and the breakout rooms. So click on the breakout rooms. As mentioned also in the previous video, you may create how many groups or rooms you will have by clicking the numbers here. So for instance, you wanted to have 3 groups, so click on 3. You have 2 ways to do that, automatically or manually. Automatically, that is going to be computer generated. It will select your students to be in a different rooms. If you want to click on manually, that is the time where you have to group your own students based on their skills or based on their ability. So click on manually, now it's created rooms. So rooms are already been created, so it can be seen here on the side of the screen. So once you wanted to start with the breakout rooms, you have to click on start room. It will just generate a green light here or a green tab here called join room. So then it will just going to invite students to be in a different rooms. Since I don't have any students yet on the rooms, it will not be showing like meeting. A green tab also will show here in meeting or meeting in progress. Now if you wanted to monitor the students on their activity, you can just go to each of the room, click on the ellipsis here on the side or the triple dot, then click on it. You will see here join room. When you click on the join room, then it will direct you to the different rooms of the students. Normally I come to there to just check and give them more instructions about the activity, and also if I have some questions, I direct it to the rooms and I went to each room and put a screenshot of the questions on the chat box. Now if you have done monitoring all the rooms, then if you wanted to stop with the meeting, you can just click on close rooms here on the side. Again, these will turn into green close rooms, and then automatically again all students will be back to the main meeting room. Okay, so the features of each of the meeting room is also the same as the others. Okay, and also it's also similar to what you had in your normal meeting. So meeting is on progress for each room, then you have also each of the rooms have the same icon. So on the chat box, you just click on here and then paste any of the activities or the questions that you wanted to see with the class, then click on send, then you can view it. So you can just tell your class to see the chat box for the questions so that they have more guidance when they are discussing it. Okay, that's pretty much from me about the breakout rooms. This is just a follow-up. Please have a look at the other videos that also been given to you for your guidance. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.